Program number 15. Write a program to create a series object that stores the initial budget. Allocate 45,000 each for the 4 quarters of the year, quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3 and quarter 4. So 45,000 each for the 4 quarters. That means each quarter's budget is 45,000. How you will write like this program? So first import pandas as PD. Clear? Now S15 equal to PD dot series, because it is series, we are creating this series. Then budget is what is given? 45,000. So write 45,000, 45,000, comma, quarters. This one becomes as a index because 4 quarters is given and every quarter has 45,000 only. So index equal to, index is a parameters, you will use it and just copy this one, quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3 and quarter 4, and will not come, and here it will come as a quotation. Within the quotation all the index name will come. How you will understand that which one you will take as a index name? Because every quarter has fixed value. So that is why this one index is unique value, you know that. So that's why index. In this question, quarters value will come as a index. Value can generate duplicate also, but index cannot be generated. So done. Now if you want to give the series name, then S15 dot name equal to what is that? Budget. So give the heading budget. Now put it as the index name also, S15 dot, what you will write as index? Index dot name equal to, suppose qtr, quarter. Now call to the print command. S15. Run it. Okay. Index name quarter. Then this is the quarter 1, 45,000, quarter 2, every quarter says 45,000. Name of the series came as a budget.